Hello students, you are welcome in our Shardabai Power Mahila Mahavidyalaya in the third lecture of chemical thermodynamics. In the last two lectures, we have started with chemical thermodynamics. Here we have seen introductory part. Then we have studied basic terms, system, surrounding, boundary. Then type of systems, open, closed, isolated, followed by properties of system, intensive and extensive properties. Then state function, path function, and 5 different type of the processes we have studied. And over here in this lecture we are supposed to see the nature of work, then nature of heat, and then in the next lecture we will start with the actual work done in different type of the processes. So let us start with the nature of work. See, what is work done? We know in mechanics or mechanically what is work done. Work is supposed to be done on an object whenever object undergo displacement in the direction of applied force. Suppose I have one object. Suppose this is the object. What will happen if I apply the force in this direction? It is moving. It is moving. In which direction the object is moving? Object is moving in the direction of applied force. Since from this place to this place object is moving, displacement is there and certain force is also applied. Therefore, in mechanics, here a mechanical work is done, and therefore mechanical work is supposed to be done on an object whenever object undergoes displacement in the direction of applied force. Therefore, work done in mathematics is a product of F and D, force and displacement. That is the work done. A product of force and displacement is known as work done in mechanics. Here we are studying the gaseous systems. And for gaseous system, this work done is not considered. Force into displacement is not considered. Instead of that, PV type, pressure volume type of work is considered. Why it is pressure volume type of work? Because in the gaseous system, by applying pressure on gas, there is compression of gas molecule take place. When your pressure is decreased, expansion of gas molecule take place. During compression, displacement is there. Displacement take place. Or during expansion also, displacement take place. Displacement is there. But because of applying pressure, therefore, displacement means change in volume. During compression of gas, volume decreases. And during expansion, volume increases. So, because of pressure, those changes in volume take place. Therefore, in gaseous system, in the thermodynamics, pressure volume type or PV type of work is supposed to be done. PV type of work is considered. And here, you know these facts. We know the area. Area is D square, not D2. If the displacement is D, area is written as D square. And what is volume? If the length is D, length is D. Area D square, D into D. Length, height, width. The product of length into height is nothing but the area, and the product of length into height into width is nothing but the volume. We have studied in solid state also. So volume is nothing but d cube, area d square, volume d cube. Now we know these factors. PV type of work we are studying. PV. Here what is volume, what is pressure, that we have to substitute. Pressure is nothing but force per unit area. Force upon area is the pressure. So force per unit area into volume. Then area is nothing but d square. I have written area d square. What is volume? Volume is d cube. So F upon d square multiplied by d cube. So what it remain? D square d cube. By cancelling, here one d is remaining. So force into displacement is nothing but the work done in mechanical also. Therefore PV type of work done is also same as that of EFD. We can write PV is equal to EFD because in mechanics work is supposed to be done on an object whenever object undergo displacement in the direction of applied force. So product of force into displacement is work done in mechanics. In thermodynamics we are studying PV type of work, where P is pressure, V is volume. Pressure is force per unit area. We know area is d square, volume is d cube. Substituting the values, finally we can arrive up to this equation F into D starting with PV. So PV is equal to EFD. So pressure volume type of work is considered in thermodynamics. Now over here what is the work done in different processes we are studying? Decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. What type of work is done? See here, suppose we have this system. And we have taken hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. So what happen? Decomposition of hydrogen peroxide take place. H2O2 get converted to H2O plus half O2 gas. This is a gas. Let us consider this is the initial level of H2, initial level of H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. Up to this level we have taken hydrogen peroxide. But after decomposition what happen? Hydrogen peroxide is converted to H2O and oxygen gas. And we know gas molecules are continuously present in a random motion. Any substance whenever converted to gaseous state, its volume increases. At start, here is a piston. Piston is present up to this level before reaction. But after the reaction, whenever H2O2 is converted to oxygen gas and H2O, here volume of oxygen gas goes over here and the piston moves through this distance d. Can you tell me, is this process of expansion or compression? What is it? Is it expansion or is it compression? This is expansion. Expansion means volume increases. Volume of system is increasing. Displacement take place in the upward direction. Volume increases because pressure of this is becoming more than the surrounding. This part is system and the remaining part is nothing but surrounding. System exerts certain pressure on the surrounding and does work with decrease in energy of the system. Energy of system decreases. Expansion take place and work is done by system to the surrounding. This is the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, where this displacement take place and work is done. See one more example. The reaction between ammonia and hydrogen chloride. Again consider similar type of gaseous cylinder. This gaseous cylinder is now containing two gases. One of them is ammonia gas and the other one is hydrogen chloride gas. Whenever these two gases are added together, they are converted into the product. What is the reaction taking place in between them? NH3 gas plus HCl gas. Ammonia is gas, hydrogen chloride is also gas. Whenever they react together, they are converted into product ammonium chloride, that is solid. Ammonium chloride solid. So at start, whenever a mixture of gases is taken, this is the level of piston. Piston is present at this level. Gases are converted to solid. So what happen? Whether volume, this volume increases or decreases now? Whenever gases are converted to solid, what happened to volume? Increase or decrease? There is decrease in volume take place. So here may up to this level and this piston comes down. Initially this is the level and this is the final level and this displacement take place. Now can you tell me, whenever gaseous state converted to solid, is it compression or expansion? What is it? Is it compression or expansion? Compression. Compression take place and surrounding has done work on system. In the first case, what we have studied? In the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, there is increase in volume. Therefore, work done by system to surrounding. And here is work done by surrounding to system, because decrease in volume, compression take place, volume of surrounding increases and the system volume decreases. Therefore, it is known as the process of compression, and work of compression is done in this process. Then one more point we have to cover over here is nature of heat. Same as that of the work done, heat is also a mode by which system can exchanges its energy with the surrounding. Due to work done, what happened just now we have studied. During expansion, the energy of system decreases. During expansion of system, energy of system decreases. Whereas during compression, energy of system increases. So there is either decrease or maybe increase in energy take place whenever work is obtained. That is the work done by system to surrounding or surrounding to system. But during that work done, there is change in energy, exchange of energy take place. Because work is a mode by which system can exchanges its energy with the surrounding. In the similar manner, heat is also a form of energy. Heat is also one form of energy, and that energy can be exchanged with the surrounding. Heat is form of energy. It is the mode by which system can exchange its energy with the surrounding. Therefore, there are different signs and different conventions used. We know for heat, Q is the symbol used. So see, plus Q means hot, plus Q means heat is absorbed, plus means heat is absorbed, minus Q heat is released. Heat is absorbed. Can you tell me which type of this process will be? Is that endothermic or exothermic change? Endothermic. So for endothermic reaction there is plus Q means heat is absorbed, whereas for exothermic reactions minus Q means heat is released. Further, work done, plus W means work is done by system to, no, plus W here is wrong, means it is the work done by surrounding to system. This is the work done by surrounding to system, plus W work of compression, and minus W is the work done by system to surrounding. This is correct. Plus W is work of compression, work of compression plus W, and that is the work done by surrounding to system. I have told you work of compression, in which case ammonia plus HCl, ammonia gas, HCl gas react together, volume decreases, work of compression take place. That is the work done by surrounding to system, because volume of surrounding increases and volume of system decreases. So that is positive work, because energy of system increases, energy of system increases, that is positive work. And negative work is nothing but the work of expansion. This work of expansion is known as negative work, that is the work done by the system on surrounding, means expansion take place, volume of system increases, volume of surrounding decreases, but system increases. That is known as negative work, or that is the work of expansion. How that is a positive work, how that is negative work, that part we have to study in detail in the next lecture.